Nasa na si Hansi.
Guitar Kings of the Court. Guitar Kings of the Court. Guitar Kings of the Court.
Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane, Southern hustle run.
Guitar Kings of the Court.
Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane.
Guitar Kings of the Court.
Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lanes, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash
Guitar Kings of the Court.
Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon.
Guitar Kings of the Court.
To the paved lane, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash
Guitar Kings of the Court.
Grinding hard, sun up
Guitar
to the
Kings of the
moon.
Court.
Pockets fat, yeah, we eating.
Welcome to Kings of the Court, Guitar Season 2. Maraming salamat sa 7 years na lalabas sa ating Season 2. Team Pogi and Team LDG. Alright, let's enjoy the game. Number 06, first to form. Number 12, Malak. rebound na Benito. Rubizo. 0-6. Rubizo, Marshall Green.
Shoot na!
Number 33, wala. Tito. 2 points, Tito. Rubizo again, wala. Basket. Number 9. Avenida. Nabitawan. Nakuha ka rin. Bignasin. Evidente. Wala. Gas. Wala pa rin. Nabitan. Bola mapunta sa Impotent. Number 33 is 0. Sa gitna. Number 9. Rebound number 13. Number 13 drives. Basket. It's the ball. Tito. Nabitawan. Nakakaw. Si number 6. Number 06. Evidente. 2 points. Evidente. Leo, ano na ito ng score? Kamali ako ng score. Okay, score natin ang 7-6. Number 9, shots by contact. Follow number 12, Atletico. First personal foul. First team foul, LDG. Basket, all 7. Last free throw. Basket again, Vince Bevor. The Dubai. Rubizo. 14. Samonte. Rubizo. Marshall Green. Wala. Rebound Tito. 9% ni Samonte. To Avenito. Abanda. Wala. Samonte. Basket. James Bevor. Number 9. Basket. Avenito. Short jumper. Basket. Number 12. Number 1. Foul on number 23. First personal foul, second team foul, LDG. Okay, ready na ang ating second foul,
Ingay pa. Pero kung kanto lang yung musik eh.
basket,
Pero ako malakas.
on. 06, Galuhan. Isamote, Dr. Galuhay, Open Rizzo. Cross pass, Samote, tumingin sa tres. Short. Nice for D. Head to shoot. Rizzo. Down. Wala, here, right. Right, yung back na yun. Power number 6. Ito. First free throw. Asok. Last free throw. Rebound. Nakuha ni Tito. Tito. Okay, number 33. Reverse shot. Okay, James 5 na tayo, James 5. Maiwan lang ang sugar. Basket out, power number 14, Samote. Tingin natin po ang ating mga jersey, mga idol. Bawal po ang hindi nakapag-technical po kayo.
Bonus!
Okay, basket. Ang last. LBG. Back to the glass. Open the tubig. And we point for the tubig. And the ball. Got them down. Wala. Rebound number 33. Open. Pineda. My contact. Number 7.
Mali. 16-14. Dan, 16-14. Kabila. 16-14. Pogi, 16. 14. 16-14. Isang pito dito. Eighteen, 14. 14. Yeah.
Okay. Number 7, Vega. Katubig, wala. Power number 22. First personal foul, second team foul. Team Pogi. Basket.
Isa kabila. Papi. Go, Manny.
And last, Tubenda. Kapit Matibog, short. Kapit Magillares, 14 to shoot. Right foul. Follow number 10. First personal foul, 13 foul. 8 poking.
Wala. Okay.
At Tubig. Kita last.
Nagulo kayo, di ba?
Well done. Back to Katubig. Tumiris sa press. Bullpen na. Nakagaw ulit. Press 14. Up. Number 33.
Ay, grabe! Pinakita mo ko agad ah.
And last, Tubelga. Tumiris sa press. Umahon. Nelianes. Number 33. Tribes. Wala. Press 14. Gatlandang. Two points. Pineda. To number 13. Back to Pineda. Two points. And last, Villares. Ovena Perna. Right. Oops, my foul. 27 seconds left. Foul number 13. Basket. Pass me through, pass break. Number 22. Foul number 7. Penalty. Second foul number 7. Last free throw.
Mali. Balik the score. Sorry. Balik the score ko.
Number 7. Lagi naman.
Ano po yung lamang?
Number 33. Dapat
Dito ako.
5 seconds remaining.
LDG 17. Pogi 31.
Dito. Wala. Wala ng oras.
Brought to you by our sponsor.
Straight motherfucking ball. Part 2. Still ballin'. Pull up in this motherfucker.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we roll, remember that I told you I'll find my way back home.
Straight motherfucking ballin'. 2. Still ballin'. Corrupt up in this motherfucker.
Luiso.
I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when it goes through changes, even when we roll, remember.
Number 12, short jumper. Nakakuha ka ng foul. Number 18, Bayani.
Sorry sa scoring. Baliktad.
Escala Luiso. Short rebound number 12. Number 9 to number 1. Number 12. Wala. Wala mapupunta sa LBG. Escala. Ayani. Escala. Bayani. 2 points. Number 12. Wala. Ruizo. Ruizo. Diretso. Escala. Back to Ruizo. To number Number 21. Dito. Ito na sa kalaban. Shoot the bird. Shoot. Number 10. Secure the rebound. Number 9. Emiro sa tres. To Nicole. Number 9. Amerigo. Timeout. Team Kogi.
If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're
Mas
done
Bagi,
with your
kayo
ex,
tayo.
the unique ex sign.
36.
Di ba 3 points? 36.
Silang 32.
Kain 33.
If you're done with your ex, move on to the next. If you're done with your ex,
But, wait.
So, okay, 35 pa kayo. Sige, 35.
lang, oh. Okay. Number 9. Matake. Wala kayo. Kaya. Oops. Oops. Iwas tayo. Mga idol lang masiwas ng sito. Alon Tito. Number 6. Second foul. Wala. Ruizo. Number 9 drives. Basket. Escala. Right, back to Luiso. Here is a press. Wala. Bayani. Oh, step down. Ceasefire na. Foul on number 9. First personal foul. Number 9. Escala. Wala. Rubiso. 2 points. Rubiso. Number 9. Sa ilalim si Chito. Reverse shot. Is good. Escala. From top of the key. Shot. Number 9. Number 9. 2 points. Number 9. Bayani. Bayani umatkanin. Wala. Number 12. Bukan kita. Number 8. Number 9. Easy 2 points. Okay, next point. Okay, pasok. Pakipakip ka mga mga jersey. Number 0 to number 33. From 2, wala. Rebound. Number 4. Bola babalik. Sa incoming. Open the shoot. Pineda. Double 6-0. Number 33. Oops. Kailangan ang foul. Foul on number 10. Villanes. Wala ang first free throw. Last free throw, pumasok. Score 6 to Zamote. Back to Daluhan. Nakagaw na Pineda, running shot. Wala. Pineda din, wala. Rebound, Villanes. Pasukin, Zamote. 2 points. Pineda. Holding the shoot. Agaw, na-recover, number 33 drives. Abamba. Gaduha. Salita. Gaduha again. So, jumper, wala. Samonte. Gabuhan. Back to Samonte. Wala. Rebound number 23. Connected to Samonte. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Nakuha ni number 13. Number 13 to number 30. Okay, shoot. And the shoot. And the shoot. Oops, my foul. Foul number 13. Second foul number 13. 13 foul. Number 13. Wala. Rebound 06. Ganuhan again. Samonte to Villares. Ganuhan. Wrong two. Wala. Villares. Samonte. And the shoot. Villares. Reverse. Wala. Zero. And the shoot. And the shoot. Pinareto na. Samonte. Wala. Buti na lang si Villares. Back to Samonte. Second shot. Basket. Okay. And the first half. Score na lang, 31-46.
Eat by both, I'm walking, make the ground shake, step the motherfucker my spit. Ain't nobody safe, ain't nobody got an option. But they get dropped them bombs on you. And all this.
Right. Up to number 21, 2 points. Number 10, Steve. 2 points, number 10. LDG, short. Number 7. Good job, wala. Dito. Slots, my foul. Foul number 21. First personal foul, first team foul. Basket. As before, basket in. Yani. Number 21, LDG. Bishop, Brito, Tibo, Skada. Skala, wala, rebound number 6. Brito, up to number 6, Brito. Number 10, short number, Ababa. LDG, Escala, right, oops, right, back. Our number 12. Up. Timeout, LDG.
Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do work. Work 6 of like Mike. He's out of sight. Whoa, you got me pipe. True man like Ike.
Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Sir, flex I do.
First Bishop, Malakas. Malakas pa rin. Rebound na Escala. Kung Escala, wala. Super lakas ngayon. Super hinga. Number 10. Ready to shoot. Number 33, James Michael. Our number 18, substitution. Second foul, number 18, second team foul, LDG. Basket. Basket again. Gaduhan. Number 7, Mega Ayani. Bayani Vibes. Number 12. Number 9. And shoot. Naagaw. Cover. Number 7. Nagkakawan. Ganuhan. Ganuhan. Common mix. Wala. LDG. Common mix. Number 33. Wala. Rebound Belgares. Bayani. LDG Vibes to record. Tibbons, number 12. Ganuhan. Number 7, back to Ganuhan. 3 points. Well done. Well, wala. Dito, gawan. Well done. Agawan pasa. Number 9 drives. Block. Recover number 12 drives. In. 2 points. Number 12. Ayan. LDG. 14 to shoot. Miami post play. 3 points. Number 9. Number 10. Rebound. Nakuha number 7. Oops, my foul. Foul number 6. Substitution. Third foul number 6. Ito. Substitution. LDG. Malakas. Rebound Villares. Our playoffs by foul. Our number 4, Pineda, substitution. 14 fouls, team broken. Basket.
Timing na sa gitna. Timing sa gitna.
14 to shoot. Number 12, wala. Pineda, secure. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 10. And last, Luiso. Wala. Rebound Villares. 2 points. Down against the press. 3 points. That comes down. And last, Samoa. Miami. Miami. Showstopper. Wala. Rebound Samoa. Wala pa rin. Villares. Oops, coming down. Rubiso. Wala pa rin. Samoa. Oops, may broken na. Our number 12.
Kasi nagatong tao nila eh. Oh, right na. Kasi nagatong tao ba i-box out. Nakatingin lahat sa ball.
Type of I'm rocking, make the ground shake, step the motherfucker my spit.
spit. Ain't nobody safe, ain't nobody got an option. But they get dropped, them bombs on you. And I don't even smoke like that. Already elevated cause I roll like that. I be levitating on a daily, baby. Steady meditating, grab a yoga mat. Breathe out, baby, don't hold it in. Breathe in, baby, your soul needs that. Fools out here thinking that we done. Wait till I see that a man hold it back. Not too many. Keep my both I'm walking. Make the ground shake, step the motherfucker my spit. Ain't nobody safe, ain't nobody got an option. But they get dropped, them bombs on you. And I don't even smoke like that. Already elevated cause I roll like that. I be levitating on a daily, baby. Steady meditating, grab a yoga mat. Breathe out, baby, don't hold it in. Breathe in, baby, your soul needs that. Fools out here thinking that we done. Wait till I see that.
Last throw. Pasok. Number 33, Mama.
Na-record yan!
Ruizo. Ruizo. Oops, may contact. Foul number 9. Second personal foul number 9. Penalty.
Inan! Nasa highlights yan, Nan! Nasa highlights.
Number 33. Shoot. Post play na natin. Umatake. Back to number 33. Ay to shoot. Wala. Go out of bounds. Ruizo. 35 seconds. Pineda. Holding to shoot. Take to shoot. 5 to shoot. Maagaw sa Monte. Iyon mo. To number 10 back to Samonte. 2 points. Time out. Okay.
Grinding hard, sun up to the moon. Pockets fat, yeah, we eating real soon. From the dirt roads to the paved lane, Southern hustle runs deep in my veins. Cash flow.
Ruizo back to Samonte, 2 points.
Hindi mo pala part-partner.
Guitar Kings of the Court. Guitar Kings of the Court.
on the
Great motherfucking baller. Part 2. Still balling. Corrupt up in this motherfucker.
I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side. You will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we wrong, remember that I told you I'll find my way back.
Great motherfucking baller.
Oops, my foul. Clock 23. Foul of Mike. And last, 2 points and last. Oops. Now may tinawag si referee Roger. Foul number 14, Samonte. Second foul, Samonte. Five to shoot. Five to shoot. Oops, my foul. Foul number 33. First personal foul. First team foul. And last to Zamonte. Zamonte to number 20, back to last. Rubizo.
Walo na lang kalamangan.
Walo na lang. Hockey Bishop. Sa ilalim. Shot. Second shot. Balik. Rebound Zamonte. Number 23. Mani. Rubizo. Nice pass to Oops! Oops, my God, ayan. Foul number 13 and last. First personal. 13 foul. LDD. Isa na lang po. And the shoot. Number 22. Shot power. Mani. Rubizo. Rubizo maapalang sa Okay, rebound lang. Foul number 4, Pineda. Second foul, Pineda. Second team foul. Involving Mani. Rubizo. 8. 3 points.
Walo na lang kalamangan.
Number 22. Number 33. 14 to shoot. Tumatakip, shot. Foul, number 9. Third foul, number 9. Third foul, Big Bobby. Mani. Zamonte. Back to number 23, basket. Foul number 23. Number 23, 13 foul. Third personal foul. Blocking for penalty ang King LDD.
Same.
Stop. Stop. Dito po tayo mga idol. Hindi po dapat manggaling sa bench. Substitution. Again, hindi po pwede galing sa bench mga idol. Dito po tayo. Ako na po ni play eh. Okay mga idol, mga coach. Ito po, dali po natin dito sa table visa ng ating mga substitute player. Okay, play on. Nice block. Rebound. Samonte. Luiso. Luiso bounce. Luiso.
Kailan na yan?
Dalawa na lang. Number 12. Balak. Rebound Samonte. Luiso. And shoot. Number 9. Spike ball na tinawag. This ball rip. Foul number 30. Remaining time 4 minutes start.
If you're done with
Second
your
foul, running trader na ang LDG.
the only X side one.
First free throw. Basket.
Parang tira ko.
All 7-8. Last free throw. Basket. It's the ball. 71-17. Luiso. Samonte. After Luiso. After open lane. 2 points. Luiso. Number 9. Matake at may foul. Kaya tinawag. Basket foul. Foul number 10. Villares.
Villares, binangga.
Second foul, number 10.
Flex yun. Yung live natin. I-upload na lang natin mamaya.
And last. Contact na. Oops, my foul. Penalty. Foul number 10, Villares. Third foul, number 10. Penalty. Pasok, sino babalikan mo? Pasok, sige. Sino babalik? Sino? And last. Money. First free ball, pumasok. Nagkagawan, hindi na to. Nakuha niya sa Monte. Tudega. Rebound. And the shoot. And the shoot. Wala. Rebound. Ito, number 33. Look at the shoot. And the shoot. And the shoot. All of
Veteran
36,
move.
substitution. Dagdag na. Basket. Darius Gutierrez. Sabate. Moving to shoot. Foul on number 9. Number 9. Warning number 9. Fourth personal foul. Warning Team Pogi. 14 foul. Sabate. Pasok ang ulang tito.
3-point lead by Pogi over LG.
Remaining time, 2 minutes, 25. Sabote! Wala! Rebound. Number 1 is Sabote. Leso. And the shoot. And the shoot. Last 2 minutes. And the shoot. And the shoot.
Boom!
Look at the shoot. Dagdagan. Wala. Rebound. Milanes. Rinaso. Tubon. Bendiador.
1 minute and 30 seconds. First game of season 2. Team Pogi versus LDG.
And the shoot. And the shoot.
50 seconds.
Tama. Backward violation. 45 seconds. Huwag discipline ng mga ito. Ah, 45 seconds. 14 to shoot.
Sa live, first quarter pa lang eh.
Ay, to shoot. Ah, meron. Time out. Time out. LTJ, remaining time 31 seconds.
Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Oh, both teams penalty.
Sex up like Mike. He's out of sight. Woo, you done got me pipe. You man like Ike.
Even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night.
Sir, that's how I do work. Sex up like Mike. He's out of sight. Woo, you done got me pipe. You man like Ike.
Even if you are not ready for
The first game. Oh, yan.
Martineza.
Boy, lasing ka pa, boy!
Sama. Grabe si kasi po sinamahan sa mukha.
Time out. Team Body. Number 9. Sino? Number 10.
Parang Titans lang.
Number 10. Number 10 pala.
Lakas sila.
Grabe yung mga mukha. Sinamahan natin mo ang mukha.
Okay, both teams wala nang time out. Tama. Number 40.
Congratulations! Team LG winning our first game or season 2 in the court.
Mag-overtime. Mag-overtime.